Hello everybody, this is Mike. Today I'm going to introduce you how to install Clawdbot on a Linux machine, hopefully an AWS server or maybe like any DigitalOcean, any Linux server. And the benefit to the install is on a remote server is to secure your local data is running on like a cloud machine, and which can be like removed and it won't leak your data basically. So let's start. So to use it, basically I have like a remote Ubuntu machine. You might have or may not have the GUI interface. So this time I will start to use like a remote SSH. If you do not know what SSH is, it's basically like a secure command line interface to your remote machine. It is easier to manage compared like to a remote desktop. So on the front page of the clawdbot.com, you need to copy and paste this command to install. Basically, paste it to your shell, and it will hopefully it will show some error here. You just need to copy some suggestions and paste it here and install the dependencies before we can finally start the installation command from this website. And it will take a while. If you find something like above like very confusing and I don't mention it, don't worry, because you need to just copy it and paste it to like ChatGPT or Grok or maybe Gemini, and they will tell you how to fix that. Just maybe run one or two commands and it will fix within several minutes. So while waiting, so what do we expect from next? So I think the next initial step is just like to configure the remote server with some AI services. For now, I'm going to share my approach. This time I'm going to use like a Gemini API because everybody get like a free Gemini API from aistudio.google.com. You can find the link below, and I will create some like API key and call it maybe Clawdbot, and create a key, and we can actually copy the key. It's just a free key, two keys, okay, here, and we come back to the installation and select yes because it's risky, and we use quick start. Then we use like Google API key, then Google Gemini API key, and we can copy the API key from Google AI Studio here. Then use the like a cheaper model because I believe for free users it don't have like much preview. Maybe we use like Flash, Gemini's free Flash preview, and it will help you much better. And for the next channel, we want to test it because it takes much more time, so we skip it for now. But if you'd like to check how to install it on, let's say, Slack, please watch my other videos. I have like the series of videos. I'm trying to make the best of videos in the world. And next, about the skills, we can skip for now, and hooks we can also skip for now. But for now, we need to press space to select it, then press enter. Then it is installing the like gateway services, right? And wait for like a while, and it will be fully installed, and it will show you the like installation success screen. Yeah, it is succeed. Yeah, so let's see how to access it from like your machine. For the next step, I think you need to be very careful because currently you do not have like Clawdbot command on your machine. You cannot use it. The only way is like to sign out and SSH back to the machine, and then type Clawdbot, and you will show the Clawdbot. Then Clawdbot, maybe we use like the TUI to test it. It's called terminal UI, and it will loading, and you can see like hi, and let's see it is replying to you. Maybe web search for news today, And let's see if you can use a Gemini web search capability to search. It might take a while, and I think it is working, right? I'm in Canada, so it shows Canadian news, which is expected. So wonderful. So what you can expect for next? For the next, you can like configure it like the channels, so that you can use it on Slack, on Discord, or Telegram, whatever chat tools you prefer. And you can also like define like a tail-scale VPNs for you to access it securely using your virtual LAN. So that is also an option. If you are interested in more contents about this, please follow my channel. I will share more about this. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.